Phrasal verbs and idiomatic expressions. Make English phrases your friend. Hello and welcome everyone. Today we're going to dive into the colorful and exciting world of phrasal verbs and idiomatic expressions. Phrasal verbs are incredibly important in English and they can often seem quite tricky. But don't worry, we're going to tackle them head-on in this video. So, what are phrasal verbs? Phrasal verbs are verbs combined with prepositions or adverbs. They have a specific meaning that is often different from the individual words. When we use these phrasal verbs in idiomatic expressions, they can completely change the meaning of a sentence. For example, let's take the phrasal verb, give up, which means to quit or stop trying. Now, let's put it into an idiomatic expression. Don't give up the ship. This doesn't literally mean don't give away a ship. Instead, it's an encouragement not to surrender or stop trying, even when things seem tough. Let's jump into some common examples. 1. Break down. This phrasal verb means to stop functioning when referring to a machine or vehicle, or to become upset when referring to a person. However, when we say, the meeting broke down into chaos, it means the meeting lost its order or structure. 2. Catch up. To catch up means to reach someone who is ahead of you by increasing your speed or to update each other about one's life when you meet after a long time. But if we say, you need to catch up on your homework, it means you need to complete the homework you have missed. 3. Turn out. This can mean to produce something as a result, or how something eventually happens or develops. When we say, the party turned out to be a great success, it means the party was very successful in the end, perhaps contrary to initial expectations. Remember, these are idiomatic expressions, so their meanings often cannot be understood by looking at the words individually. The best way to understand and remember phrasal verbs and idiomatic expressions is by practicing them. Let's do a quick exercise. I'll say a sentence with a phrasal verb in it, and you'll try to guess what it means. 1. She picked up a new hobby during quarantine. What does pick up mean in this sentence? 2. The teacher asked the students to hand in their assignments. What's the meaning of hand in here? 3. We need to cut down on our expenses. Can you guess the meaning of cut down here? Feel free to pause the video and think about these before continuing. And that's it for today's lesson on phrasal verbs and idiomatic expressions. As you can see, understanding these expressions can greatly enhance your English communication skills. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Remember, the key to mastering these expressions is practice. Use them in your daily conversations and you'll become more comfortable in no time. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.